Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your VW Golf's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues, common in 2015-2021 models with the modular infotainment box, often stem from software glitches or hardware limitations. A black screen typically indicates a corrupted operating system, while no sound can be caused by amplifier failures or Bluetooth mismatches. Start with a simple fix. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to perform a soft reset. For more persistent problems, Volkswagen's Infotainment Assurance Program offers diagnostics and fixes at dealerships. Many issues can be resolved with over-the-air software updates, so ensure your system is up to date. The shift to the ME3 platform in newer 2022 Plus Golfs has reduced these problems, but older models may still require attention. If a soft reset doesn't solve the problem, consider using tools like OB11 or Carly to scan for error codes, such as UHV001 for screen faults. Updating the software via VCDS may be necessary but requires professional calibration to avoid warranty issues. Keep in mind that the infotainment system integrates with the car's CAN bus, so problems can affect other functions. Looking ahead, VW is moving towards cloud-based platforms by 2027, phasing out MIB systems for seamless updates and improved reliability. Trends include AI-driven diagnostics, like VW's eAssist app, which predicts potential failures. While challenges remain for older models, future developments promise enhanced cybersecurity and better integration with electric vehicle systems, ultimately aiming for a significant reduction in infotainment failures.